Guys, what if I told you you can get this house for less than 1% down? I know you probably think that's impossible, especially in the current market, but guys, there's a new program that's helping buyers get into the real estate game. Guys, you can get this house with 600 credit score, 1% down, and no hidden fees. And in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can get this program, and it's relatively easy. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about a program that's helping buyers get back into the real estate game. But before we get into the channel, guys, please like, subscribe to the video. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows YouTube to allow us to be in the algorithm and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to Mycreatedapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to Mycreatedapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm going to dive straight into this video because I'm super excited about this program. The real estate market has been in tumbles over the last couple months, even probably a year, and this is a great program that's going to give buyers a little bit more leverage in regards to getting their first property. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing that you understand that this program is called One Plus Home Program. Now, if you want to get into the program, you want to contact one of your local loan agencies and see if they are hosting this program. I know Rocket Mortgage is doing this, called One Plus. Now, normally to get a home is around 3% down payment. For this program, they are going to cover 2% of the 3% down payment. Now, you can still put down the 3% and they will still give you the additional other 2% of the down payment purchase price. Guys, that is huge because basically they're giving you free equity almost instantly when you get into the program. There is no repayment. It is 100% forgivable, and it starts on the day that you purchase the home. This is a grant and you don't really have to pay it back, which is great because a lot of people get into these situations and have to pay it back, and it usually cause more harm than good. But yeah, guys, this is a grant that is basically giving you 2% of the purchase price of the home. Now, there is some requirements for you to get this home. I know that you have to have at least a 620 middle score. Do not go on Credit Karma, do not go on Credit Sesame or any of those platforms looking for a great credit score, because those platforms are going to give you a Vantage score. This is only tailoring to the FICO algorithm. So you want to go to myfico.com, or like I said, pull it with your loan agency and see where you at. Now, there is still closing costs when it comes to this program. Closing costs will be in any transaction, regardless if you are paying in cash or getting credit. You're going to pay closing costs to actually close on the property. So that is still included. But the requirements, like I said, was 620 credit score minimum. There is a 80% area median income, no PMI ever, which is great. Primary residence for one unit, so you cannot do this and have a multi-unit. You can only do this with a single family home, and it has to be your primary residence for at least 5 years. The max loan amount for this program is around $350,000, which is more than enough depending on your location, for you to get a great piece of property. The home I showed you in the beginning of the video is a home in Texas. Obviously, you guys know you get a lot of bang for your buck in Texas. If you're looking at in some of the up north areas like California or anything like that, you're not going to probably find a home in that price point that meets the requirement for this program. Like I said, guys, it's called One Plus, and it's giving you 2%. Like I said, you can put down the full 3% if you already had the down payment saved. You can still apply for this program and get an additional 2%, which basically give you an additional $7,000 on a $350,000 loan. Guys, this program is great. I honestly think that it's fun, and I think that it's something that the market definitely needs right now, considering the interest rates and the terms for getting approved for a home nowadays. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. I think this is a great program moving forward. I think that anyone can basically apply for it. They ask for a 620 score, which is barely the minimum to get approved for a home loan anyway. It is allowing for you to basically free up some cash or get some free equity out of the deal. Guys, like I said, contact your local loan agency and see where you stand. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Do you think that you can benefit from it, or do you think that it's a gimmick? Let me know in the comment section. I'm really interested. Until next time, guys, take care of your credit. Take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.